Hi everyone. In previous videos we've been looking at how we can use perspective to develop drawings that have depth. But in most of these drawings everything's been very flat and very angular, and that's not often the case in the real world. So today we're going to be looking at how we can use one-point perspective to develop a winding, undulating road, a road that you might find in the countryside. So this road is going to bend and it's going to go up and down as well, but we're still going to be using one-point perspective. You'll see as I'm doing the drawing that I am changing the position of that one-point perspective. So sometimes it moves to the side, sometimes it moves up, sometimes it moves down. And then I'm putting guidelines in which let me get the shape of the road in. So I'll do a demonstration and then you can have a go and see what you think. Okay. So hopefully from that bit of video you can see how the road structure was built up. Have a go yourself. Don't forget that if you get a bit stuck you can always rewind the video and watch it again. And once you've got the structure of the road in place, then you can start being creative about the landscape around it. The landscape I built up there was completely made up, and that's absolutely fine. If you do produce a drawing and you want me to have a look at it and you're one of my students, then just email it through to me using my school email address. And if you're not one of my students, then if you want to email it through to me, you can use the email address that's attached to the bio. Have fun with it, and I'll see you soon. Bye.